Ever wonder why some people seem to have a knack for building wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, it turns out, the rich might know a thing or two about money that the rest of us don't. According to the Federal Reserve, the top 1% of people hold over 30% of the world's wealth. But hey, that doesn't mean we can't learn their secrets, right? In fact, we can dive into the strategies they use to build their fortunes and apply them to our own lives. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets to financial success? Let's dive in and learn how to build wealth like the pros. Don't forget to watch the full video for all the juicy details, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get started on our journey to financial freedom together. Number 1. Pursue your passion. Following what you're passionate about is often really important for becoming wealthy. Rich people usually do really well in things they love doing. It's crucial to chase after something you're passionate about if you want to succeed. Starting and running a business takes a ton of hard work and dedication. If you don't truly love what you're doing, it's tough to keep up with all the effort and energy it takes to succeed. Rich people know this and warn against starting a business just to make money, because it can get really tough without a real passion for the work. Only when you're doing something you genuinely love, whether it's in your job or your own business, will you be willing to put in the time and effort needed to become wealthy and make a real difference in what you do. Number 2, put it in writing. Turning your ideas into written plans can make a big difference in whether you succeed or just get by. If you want to be wealthy, it might be time to start writing down your goals. Thomas C. Corley, who wrote Rich Habits: The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, found that 67% of rich people he studied wrote down their goals, and 81% made to-do lists. If you want to be wealthy too, you should try these habits. Write down your goals, big and small, and make a plan to achieve them. Whether you want to be a millionaire or hit other money goals, having a written plan can help you stay on track and responsible as you work towards wealth. Number 3, be your own boss. If you want to get really rich, think about being in charge of your own business instead of working for someone else. Forbes says that more than 70% of billionaires made their own money by starting or helping to start companies. Some people in the middle class think starting a business is too risky, but rich people know that the bigger risk is letting someone else control your time and money, especially if they don't care about your goals. By starting your own business, you take control of your future. You have the chance to make a lot of money and decide where your life is headed. Number 4, spending must align with goals. To get rich, you need to know exactly what you want and what's really important to you. Rich people understand this well. They might want to leave money for their children or live a specific way. They're smart about not spending on things that aren't important to them. They only spend on things that help them reach their goals. We can do the same by setting our own goals and making sure our spending matches those goals. For instance, if we're saving for a house, we should avoid spending money on things that won't get us closer to that goal. Number 5, take advantage of time, not timing. Trying to predict the stock market is tough, even for the richest investors. Instead of trying to time the market, the real secret to successful investing is giving your money time to grow. Time and compound returns are super important for building wealth. Lots of people think they can get rich by guessing what the market will do next. But wealthy folks know that the best way to succeed is by being patient and consistent, not by trying to make quick money through lots of buying and selling. They use a less flashy strategy called buy and hold. This means they invest for the long haul, even when the market goes up and down, and they don't get caught up in short-term guessing games. By sticking with their investments over time and letting them grow, they can take advantage of compound interest and steadily increase their wealth. Number 6, have plenty of liquidity. Rich people make sure they have enough money saved up for short-term needs like unexpected expenses or grabbing opportunities quickly. They have an emergency fund to handle surprises without messing up their plans. They're not good savers just because they're rich. They're good at saving because they're disciplined about it. Experts say everyone should have enough saved to cover 6 to 9 months of expenses in case of emergencies. But you don't have to save it all at once. You can start by putting aside some of your paycheck every month. I suggest setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings to help you reach this goal slowly. The important thing is to keep working on building your emergency fund even if it takes time. Remember, being wealthy isn't just about money. It's also about having rich experiences, strong relationships, and making a positive impact on the world. Number 7. Use other people's money. For rich people, the saying, "You need money to make money," isn't just a tired old saying. It's really important. They know how to use other people's money to make themselves even richer. We all know that working for money isn't always the best way to get ahead, especially with technology changing jobs. Instead, rich folks use money from banks or investors and hire others to work for them. This is a proven way to build wealth. Plus, tax laws often give advantages to businesses, which makes using other people's money even more appealing. Whether you're starting a business or investing in real estate, using other people's money to fund your projects can make you way more money in the end. But it's important to know that this approach comes with risks. Like Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So while using other people's money can be a great way to make money, you have to be really careful and understand the risks involved. Number 8. Understand value over cost. One important way rich people think is by focusing on getting the most value for their money, rather than just looking at the cost. They see their lawyer, accountant, and financial advisor as really important people in their lives. They know that using legal and tax strategies can help them make a lot more money, especially for their kids and grandkids. Unlike some middle-class folks who might try to save money by doing things on their own, rich people are okay with spending money up front to get professional advice. They know it's worth it to make smart decisions. Even though they care about value, they're still careful with their choices. They understand that paying for professional advice up front can save them a lot of money in the long run. By recognizing the value these professionals provide, rich people choose quality over just picking the cheapest option. This way of thinking helps them make smart decisions that help them become even richer in the end. Number 9. Salary isn't the whole story. Your paycheck isn't the only thing that helps you get rich. While moving up in your job can give you more money, there's a limit to how much you can earn that way. Rich people know that to really get wealthy, you need to make your money work for you, not just rely on working harder for a higher salary. Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the famous book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, talks a lot about this. He says it's better to earn money without putting in a lot of effort. This is called passive income. It's money you make without having to work hard for it. It could be from things like stocks that pay dividends, renting out properties, making money from businesses you own, but don't run yourself, or getting paid for creative work or inventions. By focusing on creating passive income, you can build a steady and possibly growing source of wealth that doesn't just depend on how much time and effort you put in. Number 10. Go against the crowd. Warren Buffett, who's super successful at investing, says it's smart to go against the crowd sometimes. Instead of following what everyone else is doing, Buffett got rich by investing in companies he really believed in, even if others weren't paying attention to them. Buffett's way involves jumping on chances when others are scared, and being careful when others are too excited. He thinks it's really important to think for yourself, and not just do what everyone else is doing. He tells investors to trust their own judgment and not just follow what everyone else is saying. By staying calm and making decisions based on thinking things through instead of just following what everyone else is doing, investors can find great opportunities that others might have missed. Number 11. Asset location is as important as asset allocation. Deciding where to put your money is really important for becoming wealthy. It's like spreading your money across different things you can invest in, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, you don't lose all your money. By dividing your money wisely, you can lower the chances of losing it all, seize opportunities for growth, and make sure your investments match your financial goals. Another smart idea is putting your money in the right kinds of accounts to save on taxes. This means you get to keep more of your money and let it grow over time. So, by carefully choosing where to put your money and spreading it out, you're more likely to become wealthy in the long run. Number 12. Diversify your investments. Rich people know that putting all their money in one place is risky. They spread their investments across different things like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, they don't lose everything. Diversifying your money helps you manage risk, seize opportunities for growth, and make sure your investments match your financial goals. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading out your money wisely, you increase your chances of building wealth over time. Number 13. Continuously educate yourself. Successful people never stop learning. They know that staying informed about money, investing, and business is key to staying ahead. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or networking with other successful people, rich individuals are always seeking new knowledge and skills to improve their financial savvy. By investing in your own education and staying curious, you can gain valuable insights that can help you make smarter decisions and achieve greater wealth in the long run. Number 14. Surround yourself with successful people. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your success. Rich people surround themselves with other successful and motivated individuals who inspire and challenge them to reach their goals. They seek out mentors, advisors, and peers who have achieved what they want to accomplish and learn from their experiences. By surrounding yourself with positive influences and a supportive network, you can gain valuable insights, opportunities, and encouragement that can propel you towards greater financial success. Number 15. Give back to others. Contrary to the stereotype of wealthy individuals being greedy or selfish, many rich people are generous philanthropists who give back to their communities and causes they care about. They understand the importance of using their wealth to make a positive impact in the world and leave a lasting legacy. By giving back to others through charitable donations, volunteering, or supporting social causes, you not only make a difference in the lives of others, but also experience greater fulfillment and purpose in your own life. Now that you know these 15 secrets, go out there and start creating your own path to success. Remember, the keys to wealth aren't hidden, they're right in front of you. The biggest secret of all is that you have the power to make yourself wealthy. I recommend you watch the next video in our series. Don't hesitate to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching.